Hey guys, it's Becca. Today I'll be showing you how to recreate my SHINee art page inspired design. Start off by painting all of your nails white. Apply liquid latex around all of your nails except for the thumb and then let it dry. On a makeup sponge, make a blue to lavender gradient and then dab it onto the nails. Repeat on all of the nails until they're opaque. Remove the latex barrier from around the nails. Since 3 of the nails in this design are essentially the same thing, on this nail I'll make a larger light bulb so that it's easier to see all of the steps, and then on this one I'll do the original design with 3 smaller light bulbs. To make the light bulbs, first make a thin black line with a small black rectangle at the end of it. Add a silver trapezoid below the rectangle and then add a white oval below the trapezoid. Fill the bulb in with Pearl Aqua and then lighten the middle so that it looks brighter in the center. For this, I mix the Pearl Aqua polish with white. To make the glowy haze around the light bulb, spread tiny drops of a darker mint green around the bulb. You don't want the polish to make solid lines, you want it to look thin and streaky. Seal in your design with a top coat. To paint the nails with 3 light bulbs, repeat the same steps we just went through on the last nail, but make the bulbs smaller. Seal in your design with a top coat. To make the mic stand, make a vertical gold rectangle at the tip of your nail and then darken the edges with bronze. Use a sheer white polish to make the microphone look like glass. Add some lines to the microphone with Pearl Aqua and then some highlights with white. Paint 5 stars around the microphone. Seal in your design with a top coat. Section off your nail as shown and fill it in with yellow polish. Make a red triangle underneath the yellow section and then fill it in. Fill the rest of the nail in with blue. Once the polish is dried, use white to make the silhouette of a fox. Fill in the details of the fox with red polish. Add the face and the paws with black. Sealing your design with a top coat and you're done! All of the products used in this video will be listed in the description below. Thanks for watching!